Hello, welcome to SmartPDF OCR. Firstly, let's open a new PDF file. Just click at Open, PDF File and choose your file. Now you can select the pages to be loaded. Adjust the rotation. And if you already have a spot list to be loaded, you can select this box. But don't worry if you don't know about it now. You will learn it later. For now, you can just leave it unchecked and go on. Check if your file was correctly loaded. Now let's define the patterns to be found on the PDF. Click on Run and find Spot by Pattern. Select the pages to be analyzed. Define the margins of the spots. Hey, don't worry if not following everything now. It will be clear later. Now set the threshold. This is how the app will follow the pattern. A threshold of 100% means that the pattern is exactly the same as the one you set here. A threshold of 50% means that the app can find anything that is 50% similar to the pattern you set. Select the pattern. The pattern is the image you want to find on the PDF. Click on Run and see the magic. The patterns found are displayed on right side of screen. These are the spots. Let's learn how add custom spots. Click Add Spots at right side of screen. The spot is added near to the last modified spot. You can adjust the position and size of each spot directly on the table. You can reply any spot to all pages. They will be positioned at the same position on each page. If necessary, you can remove unwanted spots. Let's run OCR on the spots to convert it into text. Click in Run and OCR. If you downloaded the app from the SmartPDF site, it is already configured. Select if you want to run OCR in all spots or only on the blank ones. Just click OCR. Let's save the list of spots. The list of spots can be saved as a CSV file with the position, size and text of each spot. Click on Save and Spot List. Select a suitable directory and file name. Thank you for using SmartPDF OCR.